Hey guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to repost carousel posts in Instagram. So as you guys know, the carousel post is usually consists of more than one photo like this. So this one consists of 4 photos, and if you want to repost it to your story, you can do that just by click on the share icon, this one right here, the airplane icon at the bottom of the post, and then you can choose whether you want to edit post to your story like this. Okay, so you guys can see that the post will be appear like this. You can adjust the size of the post like this, or you can also adjust the position, and after that you can just click on your story to share it to your friends. But if you guys want to change the cover that you want to share, for example, you don't want to this as the cover that you share it to your story, so you can just swipe the post. For example, you want to add the last story, the last post, the last photo of this carousel post, so you can just swipe until the last photo and then click on the share icon again and choose add post to story, and now the cover will be changed like this, and you can just click on your story to share it. Okay, so that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.